Experta is an Elementor Template Kit designed for creating professional business consulting websites quickly and easily using the Elementor Page Builder plugin for WordPress. Developed by Sociolib, this kit is suitable for a variety of industries such as business consulting, business coaching, investment corporations, human resources, business agencies, and training and development. If you're looking to give your website a modern and creative style, Experta offers a comprehensive solution. It is important to note that Experta is not a standalone WordPress theme. Instead, it comprises a set of pre-designed page templates for use with Elementor. The kit works best with a free Hello Elementor theme, but remains compatible with most themes that support Elementor, providing flexibility regardless of your existing setup. The kit includes over 14 templates, covering essential web pages such as home, services, about, why us, testimonials, process, single service, contact, news, post, header, footer, and specialized forms including Metform Contact and Metform Subscribe. Additionally, there's a global style template for consistent design across your site. One of the standout features of Experta is true no-code customization using Elementor's drag and drop visual builder. You can customize fonts and colors globally or fine-tune individual elements to match your brand. The design style is clean and minimal, helping to keep your site fast-loading and responsive for all devices. The kit also comes with Elements Kit Lite and Metform plugins, which are installed automatically with the kit. This enhances your website by adding advanced header and footer management, as well as flexible form-building capabilities. For users with Elementor Pro, you can also manage headers and footers in the theme builder. To use Experta, you'll need to import the kit through the Elementor Template Kit import plugin or directly via Elementor. Detailed installation and usage guidance is provided in the help documentation, which covers steps like uploading the template kit, setting up headers and footers in Elements Kit Lite, and importing Metform custom forms. Support is available through Elementor's Get Help feature in the WordPress menu. Demo images included with the kit are sourced from Envato Elements, and you should license these images yourself if you wish to use them, or you can replace them with your own images. Experta is recently updated and software version compatibility is listed for Elementor 3.10.x. The template kit type is categorized as an Envato template kit and is tagged for a wide range of uses, including advisor, agency, business, coach, coaching, consultant, consulting, corporate, finance, green, investment, modern, service and training. In summary, Experta offers a robust, modern, and highly customizable solution for building a business consulting website with Elementor. It is ideal for professionals and organizations that need a fast way to create a sleek, functional website with no coding required.